If you're craving a nourishing soup that is light yet packed with flavor, then you've gotta try this Japanese pork and vegetable soup we call Sawaniwan. First, we're going to blanch the vegetables, so boil a pot of water and prepare a bowl of ice water next to it. Once it's bubbling, add half a julienned carrot, 1/8 of a daikon radish, which is about 100 grams, and 10 thinly sliced snow peas, and boil everything for about 30 seconds. I use a mandolin slicer to cut the carrot and daikon so that they would be extra thin and cook quickly. After 30 seconds, transfer them to the ice water to stop the cooking process and help them maintain their vibrant color. I'm going to reuse this pot to save on washing up, so discard the water and add 850 milliliters of dashi stock. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. I recommend using homemade dashi or dashi packets for the best flavor. Once it's bubbling, add 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 4 tablespoons of mirin. Then add 150 grams of thinly sliced pork belly and 4 fresh shiitake mushrooms, also thinly sliced. We'll boil that for about 1 minute before adding the blanched vegetables from earlier. Drain the ice water and add vegetables back in from here. Continue to simmer for about 3 minutes or until pork is cooked through and vegetables are softened to your liking. I don't like my vegetables to be too soft, so I find 3 minutes is about right for me. This is one of those recipes where the preparation takes longer than the cooking, but it's worth it because all the thinly sliced vegetables not only cook quickly, but they have an almost noodle-like texture to them. Mix occasionally, and then once 3 minutes are up, take it off the heat. Serve it up with a sprinkle of ground black pepper, and that's it. Extremely simple, yet tasty and satisfying Japanese Sawaniwan. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the printable version of this recipe, you can find it on my blog. I've put the link on the screen for you. And if you're interested in more soup videos, check out the soup playlist on the screen. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.